You just signed a contract, but now you're having second thoughts. Can you back out? The answer isn't always simple, but in some cases you may have a legal right to cancel. This video I'm going to cover the general rule on when a contract becomes binding, the FTC's 3-day cooling off period and when it applies, and other legal reasons that might allow you to cancel a contract. Let me take a moment to introduce myself. I'm Kevin O'Flaherty from O'Flaherty Law. We've helped countless clients navigate contract disputes because contracts can be complicated, but understanding your rights can help you avoid costly mistakes. So let's get into it. When is a contract officially binding? The general rule is simple. Once you sign a contract, you're legally bound to it. There's usually no automatic grace period to back out unless the contract includes a specific rescission clause. If a contract doesn't have one, your best option might be mutual rescission, where both parties agree to cancel the agreement. What about the FTC's 3-day cooling off rule? A lot of people think they have 3 days to cancel the contract, but that's a common myth. The FTC's cooling off rule only applies to specific sales, like purchases made at home, work, or temporary sales locations. Think door-to-door sales or pop-up shops. Illinois also gives consumers 3 days to cancel contracts for things like campground memberships, gym memberships, home repair contracts signed in your home. So if your contract qualifies, you'll need to submit a notice of cancellation within the time limit to legally back out. Lastly, there are a couple of other legal reasons a contract may be canceled. Even if your contract isn't covered by a cooling off rule, there are still situations where you may have a legal defense. So let me go through those. Fraud or misrepresentation. If the other party lied or withheld important information, the contract may be void. Duress or undue influence. If you were pressured into signing under unfair circumstances, you may have a case to cancel the contract. Mutual mistakes. If both parties misunderstood an essential term, the contract may not be enforceable. Lack of capacity. If one party didn't have the legal ability to sign, like a minor or someone under the influence, the contract may be invalid. If you're trying to get out of a contract and you aren't sure of your legal options, please give us a call at 815-591-5438. And don't stop here. Click on the next video to keep learning more about your legal rights. Until next time, take care.